Igloo Trailmate Journey 70 Gate Cooler Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you love camping, tailgating, or outdoor adventures, the Igloo Trailmate Journey 70 Key Cooler is worth considering. Most people get this wrong by thinking all ARD coolers are bulky, but the surprising truth is this model balances capacity, portability, and ice retention. Pros: users praise the 70 core capacity, which holds plenty of food and drinks for long trips. It features ice retention up to 5 days, sturdy wheels and a telescopic handle, making transport easier than traditional coolers. The build quality is strong, and it fits in truck beds or small trailers comfortably. The cons: some users mention that it is heavier than expected when full and storage inside and feel cramped if organising multiple items. The wheels perform best on smooth surfaces and struggle on rocky terrain. In short, the pros are large capacity, ice retention and mobility, while the cons are weight and uneven terrain performance. The takeaway: the Igloo Trailmate Journey 70 Key Cooler is excellent for long trips and outdoor events, as long as you plan for weight and terrain. If this review helped, like and subscribe for more outdoor gear insights.